Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to receive reminders about the messages you haven't responded to on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and click on the Me button at the top. Tap on Settings and Privacy. And after that, click on Data Privacy in the left side column. Scroll down to the Messaging Experience section and click on Message Nudges, which is the fourth button. So here you can receive reminders about messages you haven't responded to. So if you want to turn on Message Nudges, click on this button on the right side of the screen, thereby enabling reminders. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.